And here we are in Surrey at the Royal Horticultural Society, Wisley, and we're just going to go in there. And this is the shop complex, and here's Lisa hiding from the sun. Okay, hon. Hon, let's go. Ooh, this is nice. Very nice, isn't it? Ooh, a nice little stream. And this is the fruit garden, and just looking at these apples, which are nice little vertical trees. Yeah, beautiful apples. And oh, there's some nice greeny ones. Bigger green ones, and some red ones. Very nice. And in that little greenhouse there's some melons growing, honeydew. And this is a glass house, so I presume we're going to see some tropical stuff in here. Looks very nice. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. And there's the orchids, very nice. And all tropical stuff in here. Oh yeah, nice, isn't it?
There's Howard just about to come out. We're having some coffee. What are you having, hon?
Coffee and a muffin, huh?
Oh dear.
Lovely.
Ooh, that thing looks nice though. Give me a smile, hon.
I found some nice big tomatoes here. See how big it is? Wow. That's big, isn't it? This is the vegetable garden. Very nice looking garden. A bit more success than we have with ours. Leeks. Onions.
I do all this stuff here, and the mushroom, and the green vegetable, and I did fish.
Lovely, honey. That looks great. Look at that. And this is all part of the preparation for barbecue on this beautiful sunny day out in Keith's garden. What a nice day. It's red hot. There they are, the gentry. And there's the nice cars. The Toyota and the Porsche and the Golf. And there's the barbecue being fired up by Malou. And there's
I'm fine. I put some wine in the fridge.
hello, Olive.
Yeah, well, there's some more white wine there.
Yeah, it's whatever.
And this very nice summer's day in this beautiful country residence.
And what about, don't forget Olive.
I've got Olive. Oh, and here's Lisa,
That's fantastic.
the Philippines girl that's used to the sunny countries, right?
No, exactly. I think you should go near the leverage then.
Come on, honey, that hat suits you, hon.
Look, it's already gone. Got chipped
I
in
dropped
it.
it last night, remember? That's something I can do about
It will
that.
scuff up quickly.
It will, yeah.
Have you seen this? Look, Charlotte's just done a
Done a video.
little video clip.
I got it as a free upgrade
I
from
got
Vodafone.
Oh, did you?
Quite good, yeah.
You've got the well, I have to talk to you about this because I just got an upgrade phone.
I think she can smell the whole. Yeah. Looks great.
How's it going, girls? Ooh, does this look good or does this look good? Ooh, lovely.
You can smell it. She can smell it. That's why.
Just seen some horses going down there.
Yeah, that's why he can smell
And
it.
there's the boys hard at work talking. It's nice to see the boys working and the girls relaxing.
This is terrible, isn't it?
Give me a smile, huh?
Yeah. Lisa, your smile. Your deadly smile.
And action.
I think I've got a wasp in this. Sure. A wasp in your soup. Oh, it's wasp with HB sauce. It's very nice. Rhubarb.
Rhubarb.
Rhubarb. 1985.
Is he an Englishman? 12 Brewery, London, 7.
Is that alright?
I think it's quite reliable.
No, yes, but it means she'd cut it.
Chicken?
Everything.
Anything.
Multi-fuel.
Apple, grapes,
Cucumber.
cucumber,
I gave the dog a cucumber.
broccoli.
How
She
many dogs
loves
eat
broccoli.
cucumbers?
Yeah. Chewing gum. One day I was walking the dog and I looked at her and she's like this. And she picked up a piece of she'd picked a piece of chewing gum off the street and was just chewing away the whole walk.
So no problem this dog.
No.
No problem.
Big gal gal.
He can survive anywhere.
Yeah.
Well, no.
Well, maybe
This
not. She
needs
can't
human-
catch anything.
Without human contact, I don't think the dog would survive very well in the
Chases
wild.
pigeons.
Okay, that's them.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.